This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the phone and ejecting the SIM tray so nothing powers up while you work. Once done, apply steady heat around the screen edge. Aim for a safe 80-100 degrees C window to soften the adhesive. Next, remove all external screws and place them in a labeled tray so you remember where each goes. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static damage, and have a suction cup and thin picks ready to begin separating the screen from the frame. With a small gap created, use a suction cup and thin picks to slowly work around the perimeter. Patience prevents cracked glass. Once you can lift the screen a few millimeters, prop it gently, do not hinge it fully. Locate any internal brackets or cross screws and remove them so flex cables are accessible. Once accessible, always disconnect the battery first to avoid short circuits, then detach display and digitizer connectors using a plastic spudger. Keep parts organized and note which screws came from which locations. After removing the old screen, transfer the earpiece, front camera, sensors, and any brackets to the replacement part so alignment stays correct. Once components are moved, clean the frame and display mating surfaces of old adhesive and debris, then apply new adhesive strips or a thin bead of manufacturer-recommended adhesive. Reconnect the display and battery, power on to test touch, display, and cameras before closing. If the screen is unresponsive, power off and reseat the connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.